Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on stopping by, you're most definitely welcome. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I drop a video. And if you subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. So darlings, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some top strong effective tube you can use to promise your cream for skin whitening, skin lightening, or skin brightening. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into this video. So guys, today's video we are going to be talking about this amazing product. Okay, this product is called glutathione. Okay, this gluta injection is really amazing. I'm going to be talking about the body lotion on my next video. Okay, so guys, just click on the notification bell so that you will get to notify whenever I drop that video, so you don't miss out that video. Okay, this glutathione guys is really nice. Like, it's really amazing when you are using the complete range of this glutathione. So today I decided to talk about the tube. You can call it tube or you can call it gel. Okay, this is so amazing guys. I just use this tube to promise my cream. It really gives me that, like, that wow shade, like that skin tone that I wasn't even expecting. So I just decided to talk about it guys. So as you can see, this tube have different types. Okay, I'm going to be talking about the I'm going to be talking about 3 different types. Okay, this tube have 4 different types, but I'm going to be talking about the 3 type, okay, on this particular tube that you can use. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with the black one. As you can see, the black one is called cream strong glutathione white. Okay, this terminal white is so strong. As you can see, it's been written on it. They said strong action. So guys, this cream, like, it's really strong. So whenever you want to use it to promise your body lotion, make sure you use a good base. Okay, do not go for any cream that has hydroquinone already and use it to promise this tube, else it's going to mess your skin up. Just look for a good cream, like a good base, like Francois Bedon, QEI, Patricia, HT Plus, you know, what's it called, Fair and White, So White, you know, those kind of cream that doesn't have strong consistency. Okay, that's the kind of cream you are going to use this product to promise, because this product here is so strong. You don't want to mess with this product guys. Okay, if you know you are looking for that, like, if you know you are looking for 2 or 3 shades lighter or whiter than your skin tone, you can use 2 of this product to promise your full body lotion. Okay, if you know that you are looking for that whitening skin tone. But if you know that you are dark in complexion, darling, this video is certainly not for you at all. Okay, just move to the next video. Okay, this video is not for you, because trust me guys, this is going to, like, it's going to bleach your skin, it's going to tone your skin, and it's going to whiten your skin. As you can see, this particular one is terminal white, like, is the strongest guys, is the strongest. So I'm going to be talking about the other color, this pink color. This one is called cream strong gluta or rose 24K gold. Okay, this one is 24K gold. They say this one is supreme cream supreme. Okay, this one is strong action rapid. Okay, this one is like fast action. That's, it means fast action in English, action rapid. So this particular one is going to bleach your skin as well. It's going to whiten you as well, but not that strong as the black one. That black one, as you can see, it said is terminal. So terminal, it means definer, you understand? So yeah, this one is going to give you that shade as well. It's going to give you that shade if you know that you are not looking for that kind of, you know, that kind of shaprapra whiteness. You know, you can use this one as well to promise your body lotion, and it's going to give you that shade that you want, like that shade that you desire as well, but it's not that strong like the black one. Okay guys, so that's basically it. And the same goes to this particular one. If you know that you are dark as well in complexion, please darling, please avoid this tube I'm talking about. Okay, avoid this tube badly for your own good. Okay, I don't want tomorrow someone will come to my inbox and be complaining, ah Bella Mo, I use this product to promise my cream, and now is this is that, some of my body is white. You know, when you are dark, if you want to go into skin lightening or skin whitening, when you are dark in complexion, you need to start it with something cool, like something very very soft, something light, you know, something that can be taking you gradually. You know, you need to start with maybe something like what's it called, like Francois Bedon, like UEI carrots, or you can start with what's it called, a pure white, fair and white, so white body, what's it called, I've forgotten it. So something like that, you don't need to mix it, you don't need to promise it, just be using just the oil and the serum to be promising it, and it's just going to be like giving you that shade gradually. Okay, it's going to be taking your shade from, like, imagine that you have dark skin tone, and it's going to move your skin tone from dark skin tone to caramel skin tone. Okay, from caramel skin tone is going to move it to chocolate skin tone. So from there, you know, just step by step, you cannot be dark and at the same time you just want to jump into skin whitening just like that. You are going to have a big problem. Hope you guys understand. So next one, I'm going to be talking about the blue one. Okay, as you can see, this blue one is called cream supreme glutathione kojic white. Okay, this one was like kojic white was added to this particular one. You guys know kojic as well is very very strong. Okay, it's a strong whitening property as well. Okay, so this one was added with kojic white, and they said this one is fast action as well. Okay, and um yeah, they say this one is fast action as well, so take note, this one as well is fast action. Okay guys, you can as well use this one to promise your cream. The same thing goes like the way I explained it before. You can use two of this tube to promise one full bottle of your body lotion. Okay, you can use it because this cream has a range as well, so you can use the range, like the full set. Okay, that I'm going to be talking about that one very soon. Okay, the full set, you understand? So yeah, that's basically it, but I would advise you not to use this product to promise cream like Carolite, Carotone, or stuff like that. Please guys, do not, because those cream already have their own whitening property as well. So guys, hope you guys enjoy this video, hope you find this video helpful and useful. See you on my next one. Bye bye.